We have a cold snap. A couple days ago, I was sweating. Now I'm shivering. It's very cold outside, even here in Florida. And this is just a reminder that things can shift really quickly. Things can happen when unconscious mind gets it, that you're actually okay, that the past is over in history, and that you're in the present and you survived and you made it. Those protection sensations of anxiety and chronic pain and panic can really fade out quick. Now, it's a non-linear journey, so sometimes they'll fade and come back, but keep it in your heart and know that the weather can change quickly and it can change in your favor. So visualize that, close your eyes, lie down, and imagine what that's like. And then it's gonna happen. It's just a matter of time.